Good afternoon, guys. Eugene here from Genius Trader. Welcome to yet another Forex weekly forecast for the week ending 23rd October 2020. All right, guys, I'm just gonna tell you, like, obviously important points in the market, like what different pairs, including USD Cad, Pound USD, USD Swiss franc, Euro USD, as well as gold and USD Jpy. And also I'll be sharing with you this week's pivot point. So I'm gonna make this video short as I can, or as short as possible, so that you can watch all of it and catch all the pips that that you need. So the first one is USD Cad, and the market has been going in cycles lately. So we haven't really, gotten to our pivot point yet, and the market is not even giving up yet. Still just going up and down a bit um, on these pairs. So, however, all we want for now is to buy the USD CAD um, at this point. Let me just, what is, yes, we want to buy the USD CAD at 130 zone or 129.958 zone. So as soon as we can see the price rotate lower to this zone, that's where we can go full on, buying all the way to 135 zone or 134.400. The pound, the USD, the pound USD, the 130 is, it's a resistance zone. If this zone hold, then we'll see the pair rotate lower to our pivot point for this week, which is 126.700 zone. So we want to see this price, crash from this zone, because 130 has been, you know, acting as resistance for some time now. Even when it tried to break out here, it still went below this point, the 130 zone. And right now, I feel like it's retesting, and sooner or later we'll see it, going all the way down to our buy zone, which is about 320 pips, from there on. USD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc. We also want to, we're looking for short positions from this zone, from 0.93 zone all the way high. So 0.9800 and 0.90700. This will be this week's buy zone, but not this week's pivot point, because it's not a pivot point. The pivot point is the sell here. So what we want to see is the price getting rejected here and continuing higher all the way to 0.93, so that we can sell on this zone. Or you can try and buy here with your stop loss below, 0.9400. So that's that. The next one, which is the Euro USD, here we want to consider long positions at 116 zone. So as soon as the price get to 116, which is around here, then we'll be looking into buying all the way to 120 again, which is sort of um, a range, a daily range here. Like you can see that the price have been ranging between 120 and 116, and that's what we want. We want to see this price rotate lower all the way to our buy zone, so that you can buy. If we get a crash below the 116, which is our pivot point for this week, then the price will rotate lower to even 114.500 zone. And the gold, gold is currently below resistance, which is 110, and we want to see it go all the way to our buy zone, which is 118.48 zone, for this week, which is our pivot point. We want to see it, we want to buy gold there. And the last one but not least is the USD Jpy. The USD Jpy, the buy zone, we want to consider long position at 104 zone here, 104.20 or 104 straight, all the way to 108. Because if you check here on the bigger picture, you can see that this price have been ranging between 107 and 104, and also there's another wave here, like there's another range here above the 107, which bounces off at 109, you know, also a lot at 108. So you want to see the price rotate lower, and you're gonna buy all the way to that zone. And that's all for this week, guys. I hope you caught all the pivot points, and I wish you all the best and success in your trading careers. Please do join me next week for the next week's weekly Forex Focused. Please subscribe, like, and share so that we can help more people with these pivot points, guys. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.